Alright, Sec 3 Express A Maths. Today we are going through Binomial Theorem, example number 7. Remember what I taught you in the previous lesson on how to expand binomial expansions? Let's take a look at this one. Obtain and simplify the first four term in the expansion of 2 plus x squared over 4 to the power of 8. Now I want the first four terms. I start with 0. And then I put this 2x squared over 4. If you remember what I taught you the previous time, the 0 is here. And then 0 plus 8 gives you 8. That's the first one. The second one is 8, 1. Then 2x squared over 4. Now remember the 1 goes up here. 1 plus 7 give you 8, plus the next one is 8, 2. 2x squared over 4 power 2 power 6. 2 plus 6 give you 8. Now that's 3 terms. The last term, 8, 3. 2x squared over 4. This is power 3. This is power 5. 3 plus 5 give you 8 plus dot dot dot. Let's work out the four terms. 8C0, if you press your calculator, is 1. 2 to the power of 8, if you press your calculator, is 256. Anything to the power of 0 will give you 1. Plus, if you press your calculator, 8C1, you will get 8. 2 to the power of 7, if you press your calculator, is 128. And then x squared over 4 is still x squared over 4, that's power 1. Plus, press your calculator, 8C2, 8C2 is 28, that's 28. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. And this square is multiplied to this power and also to this 4. So you will get x to the power of 4 over 4 squared is 16. Plus, you press your calculator, 8C3, you will get 56. Multiply by 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Now, this cube goes into this power and this power 4. And then you will get x to the power of 6 over 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Plus dot dot dot. Don't forget to simplify. You will get 256 plus. Now on your calculator, you should press 8 times 128 times 1 quarter because it's over 4. So it's 8 times 128 times 1 quarter. You will get 256x squared. You get 256x squared plus, if you press your calculator, 28 times 64 times 1 over 16, you will get 112. 112, don't forget to put the x to the power of 4. And lastly, 56 times 32, then times 1 over 64, which is plus 28, x to the power of 6 plus dot dot dot. Now, you should be able to expand this by now. Okay, now let's read the question. Hence, evaluate the coefficient of x to the power of 4. They want you to find the number in front of x to the power of 4 in the expansion of 2 minus 3 over x squared times whatever you just expanded. So basically, 2 minus 3 over x squared multiplied by 2 plus x squared over 4 to the power of 8. Now, you have already expanded 2 plus x squared over 4 to the power of 8 to give you the first four terms, right? So, I'm just going to replace it. 2 over 3x squared multiplied by 256 plus 256x squared plus 112x to the power of 4 plus 28x to the power of 6 plus dot dot dot. I want x to the power of 4. Now, we all know the expansion of this is 2 times this 2 times this, 2 times this, 2 times this, and then after that we have this, 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 and this. I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4, the green one, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to ask yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which expansion will give you x to the power of 4? Okay, number 1, 2 times 2, 5, 6, doesn't seem to give me x to the power of 4, so no. Cross out, I don't want that. 2 times 2, 5, 6x squared, also doesn't give me x to the power of 4, so don't want. Now, 2 times 112 x to the power of 4, that gives me x to the power of 4, so I want number 3. Now, let's take a look at number 4. 2 times 28x to the power of 6 gives me x to the power of 6. I don't want. I only want x to the power of 4, so I'm going to delete away number 4 as well. Let's take a look at number 5. 3 over x squared times 256 don't give me x to the power of 4, don't want. Number 6, 3 over x squared times 256x squared doesn't give me x to the power of 4 either, so don't want. Number 7, 3 over x squared times 112x to the power of 4 doesn't give me x to the power of 4. Because you see, the x squared and the x power of 4, if you cancel away, that will give you x squared. So we don't want that. So number 7 is also out. Now let's take a look at number 8. 3 over x squared times 28x to the power of 6. That gives me x to the power of 4. Because x squared, if you cancel with x to the power of 6, gives you x to the power of 4. So we want number 3 and number 8. That is how we evaluate what we want. So we write the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is actually 2 multiplied by 112. Okay, let me show you the working. 2 times 112 x to the power of 4 plus number 8 is negative 3 over x squared times 28x to the power of 6. If you were to cancel x squared, x to the power of 6, that will give you x to the power of 4. You see how this question tricks you? So 2 times 112 will give you 224. 224x to the power of 4 plus negative 3 times 28 will give you negative 84 x to the power of 4. Now if you press your calculator, 224 minus 84, you will get 140. So 140x to the power of 4. Since they want coefficient. Now coefficient is the number in front of x4. So therefore, the coefficient is 140. Answer is just 140. Alright, now this is a very popular O-level question. You need to know how to do this question. Okay, take some time to understand this question, then do the practice question in the textbook that I gave you. Once you're done, put it up on OneNote. I expect it to be done by 12 p.m. At 12 p.m, I will check your submissions. Alright, so don't be late. You can do this. Any questions, give me a call and I'll answer you. That's all I have for you today.